If you're anything like me, you're passionate about certain brands, right? Brands that just get you excited every time they drop a new product or roll out a cool campaign. Imagine the thrill of being the first to know about these launches, the first to try out new products, and the first to share your genuine excitement with the world. Well, what if I told you that you could actually get paid to share that excitement with the world? Yes, you heard that right. You can turn your passion into profit. Today, I'm diving into how you can start earning by promoting the brands you love. Becoming a brand ambassador isn't just about making some extra cash. It's about connecting with a community that shares your passions and values. It's about being the voice of a brand you genuinely adore. Imagine being part of a community where everyone is as enthusiastic about your favorite brands as you are. It's a place where your voice matters and your opinions are valued. As a brand ambassador, you get to represent the brands you love in a way that feels authentic and true to who you are. Trust me, it's as fun as it sounds. So how do you get started? First, think about what makes you unique. What's your niche? Are you into tech, fashion, fitness, or maybe gourmet foods? Brands are always on the lookout for authentic voices that can represent them, and that could very well be you. Your unique perspective and genuine enthusiasm are exactly what brands need. Once you've identified your niche, start creating content that showcases your passion. Share your thoughts, reviews, and experiences with the products you love. Whether it's a blog post, a video, or a social media update, let your passion shine through. Brands will notice your authenticity and may reach out to you for collaboration. And don't forget to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, join discussions, and build a community around your shared interests. This will not only increase your visibility, but also strengthen your connection with the brands you love. So if you're ready to start this exciting journey and earn by promoting your favorite brands, head over to www.AMBSDRs.com and sign up today. It's the perfect platform to connect with brands looking for passionate ambassadors like you. Make your passion your paycheck. Don't just be a fan, be an ambassador. Embrace the opportunity to turn your enthusiasm into a rewarding career. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and start your brand ambassador journey. Visit www.ambsdrs.com to start your new career.